Good afternoon, everybody. A new product called Big Wipes. I'm a little skeptical, but they tell me that you can put grease on your hands, you can spray paint on your hands, and supposedly with just one rag, you can wipe it all off. Mike, would you do me a favor? Would you shake that can and give me a little spray paint in my hand, please? Here we go. Give me a little spray. I'm just gonna check this stuff out. Here we go. Go ahead, go. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Okay, I've got grease and spray paint. Whew, that stinks. Now, supposedly, with one rag, this stuff is supposed to wipe off my hands, super clean, and remove everything and retain it on the rag. Let's see what happens. Kind of curious here. Okay. Here we go. Well, I'm a little impressed here. Okay. Paint's come off. The grease has come off. Okay. A little bit more to go here. There we go. There we go. A little bit on this hand. Oh, that looks pretty good. Now, supposedly, if I'm not mistaken, I think the way this works is it stays in the rag. If you try to wipe another surface with the material that you've taken off your hands, it stays. Let's see what happens. Ooh, okay. Wow. Cleans the table. It doesn't do anything. I like that. I really like that.